Introducing the Apple Watch Series 9, the most advanced smartwatch ever, designed to help you live a healthier, more connected life. The Apple Watch Series 9 is packed with cutting-edge technology, including blood oxygen sensor, measure your blood oxygen levels to track your overall health and fitness progress. ECG app, perform an electrocardiogram right from your wrist, providing insights into your heart rhythm. Temperature sensing, monitor your body temperature to track your sleep, ovulation, and more. Crash detection, automatically detect severe car crashes and alert emergency services. Always on display. See the time and key information at a glance, even when your wrist is down. The Apple Watch Series 9 features a beautiful and durable design, crafted from premium materials. Larger display. A larger display provides more screen space for easy viewing. Thinner profile. A thinner profile makes it even more comfortable to wear all day long. Variety of styles, available in a range of styles and finishes to match any taste and outfit. The Apple Watch Series 9 seamlessly integrates with your other Apple devices. Receive notifications from your iPhone, iPad, and Mac and respond directly from your wrist. Track your health data with the Health app on all your devices. Control your smart home devices such as lights, locks, and thermostats with just a tap. The Apple Watch Series 9 is the ultimate companion for your active and connected lifestyle. Whether you're tracking your health, staying connected, or simply exploring the world, the Apple Watch Series 9 is there to help you every step of the way. Visit apple.com/apple-watch-series-9 to learn more and order yours today.